morning and welcome to all of you in e-learning class organized by Modern Group of Institute. Student, this video is for class 7 Civics Lesson 7. Chapter's name is Understanding Advertising. Student, this word is very common word or very familiar word for all of us. Every day you listen or every day you watch this word advertisement. Its short form is ads. Student, in this lesson you have to study what is advertisement, how advertisement attract our attention, how many types of advertisement, and what is the telecast rate of a advertisement in a TV channel, and also how does a advertisement get ready. At first I want to ask you one question, student. Where do you watch advertisement? We watch advertisement on TV, on street, on road, on internet, in the newspaper, in the magazine, and in the cinema during the interval or before the starting of film. We also listen in radio advertisement. So where do we watch advertisement? On TV, newspaper, magazine, on the street, and also sometimes you get on taxi or also in rickshaw. So now you have to know what is advertisement. Student, advertisement, just I have told you, this is very common word for all of us or very familiar word. Advertisement draw our attention to various products and describe them positively. So we are interested to purchase them. Advertisement draw our attention to various products and describe it positively so that we are ready or we become interested to purchase them. When you are watching a news channel or when you are watching any serial, then at the mid of the serial you are different advertisement. So all the advertisement are described positively, not negatively. Such as you can take an example of Wonder Cement, सस्ता नहीं सबसे अच्छा. ये तो कोई नहीं कहते, not anyone say that it is very bad. And about the toffee, such as Cadbury's toffees, कुछ मीठा हो जाए. That means company try to describe it positively so that consumer attract towards the product and they are compelled to purchase it. Suppose that if you are watching a TV serial and any product, new product, such as any new product, Bika ji, such you watch that Amit ji love Bika ji. That means you think that if a great hero, if he can eat Bikaji, that means it is better, and we should also purchase it, and we can also take its taste. Now your next here is explain about two product, Top Taste Dal and Care soap. So what is the specialty of both of the advertisement? First is Top Taste Dal. When guests come home, then you serve Top Taste Dal. That means if you serve them Top Taste Dal, that means you treat them very well. You treat with them best. And Care soap, if you use Care soap of your baby, that means you express your love. That means you care your baby. That means you love your baby if you are using Care soap. Here is written that show your child you care. You can watch this picture, that Top Taste Dal. She is serving happily and both of them are eating happily. That means if you use Top Taste Dal and if you serve your guest, the guest become happy and satisfied. And also Care soap, this is written here that you love your child very fresh, and show your child your love, and show your child you care. Now your next topic is what is branding. Branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. Branding means stamping a product with a particular name or sign. This is done to differentiate it from other product in the market. Suppose that there are a number of soap in the market. If any company have to launch a new soap, that means they have to keep it a particular name or special name, not the similar name. Suppose that there are a number of soap in the market, such as Lux, such as Pierce, Dove, and different soap in the market. And if a company want to sell their product in the market, then they have to keep its a particular name, that means branding, or also advertise, then they can sell their product. So student, thank you. Next day I will teach you next topic.